Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix error PrizePicks. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If you are having trouble with error PrizePicks, what you need to know is PrizePicks needs a playthrough requirement. Unlike other providers, PrizePicks has a very simple and consumer-friendly playthrough policy. You only have to play through your deposit and promo funds one time before you can withdraw. For example, let's say you have deposited $10 and get matched an additional 10 in promo funds. You have to pay a total of 20 worth of lineups, and then you are free to withdraw your winnings. So many of PrizePicks competitors have playthrough requirements as high as 3x, 6x, or even 20x. Now once you are done with this, what you need to do is ensure sufficient funds. If your deposit was declined, it might be due to insufficient funds or pending payments in your linked bank account. AeroPay will attempt to pre-process declined payments. And then next is verify your account connection. A declined withdrawal could indicate that your bank account connection was removed or misconfigured. Contact AeroPay support to resolve this issue. After resolving, you will need to reinitiate the withdrawal on PrizePicks. If the funds have returned to your PrizePicks balance, contact their support team. Number 3 is check for account suspension. Your account may be suspended due to outstanding declined payments or issues verifying bank account ownership. Reach out to support@aeropay.com to provide additional information and reactivate your account. Number 4 is linking bank account issues. If you are unable to link your bank account, ensure your bank is supported and that you are entering the correct information. If problem persists, email support@aeropay.com for assistance. And that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.